I'm Ian Rhodes, your favorite local realtor inside our newest West Hollywood listing. Imagine living just steps from the Sunset Strip, yet tucked away in privacy with no shared walls. Welcome to your modern urban retreat, hidden at the rear of a boutique building with only 7 residences. This thoughtfully designed condo blends style and convenience, open concept living, sleek finishes, and oversized windows, flooding every corner with natural light. Open the floor-to-ceiling glass door to your private terrace, your own outdoor living room in the heart of the city. Primary suite feels like a spa getaway with a soaking tub and glass-enclosed shower, while a second ensuite bedroom offers flexibility for guests or a home office. Add in stacked laundry, private entry lobby, 2-car parking, and you have the perfect lock-and-go lifestyle. Opportunities like this don't come often just off the Sunset Strip. Schedule your showing today. It isn't just a condo, it's your urban architectural home.